How to fix Windows Update error 0x8024401c. 1. Check your network settings. 2. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Set 0 to Windows Update or use WU server at ht_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update/O in registry editor. Restart the computer later. 4. Repair system files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 5. Perform a clean boot. 6. Run Window Updates Troubleshooter. 7. Disable Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6. 8. Clean the Window Update temporary cache folder at %winder %software distribution /data store.